In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the styles or CSS styles of HTML elements. Now I'm going to head over to my Sublime Text Editor, where I have a web.html file with HTML code for this web page called Dom Selector. Welcome to my page, with a background color of a pale green. Now I'm going to head over to the Sublime Text Editor, where I created a selector.js file. You can see I have a variable called selector, which is Dom Selector document or query selector. I've selected a class name called heading, and the class belongs to this h1 tag which says Dom Selector. Now what I want to do is I want to change the font family of this Dom Selector. So I'm going to head over to my Sublime Text Editor. I'm going to head down. I'm going to say selector dot. When you use style, whenever you're changing the style of an HTML element, you want to use the keyword style. Style dot font family. I want to make this fantasy. When I save this, I head over to my browser and reload this page. You can see I've changed the font family to fantasy. Not only that, I can also change the color of that heading to make it red. No, let me just change to crimson. Crimson is better. Crimson. And when I reload this, head over to web page and reload it, you can see the color is now crimson. You can also change the background of the web page. You can just do document, which is document of the web page dot body. And remember, I told you want to use the keyword style whenever you change the style of HTML element. Dot background color. I want to set this to mint cream. Save this, head over to the browser and reload. You can see I've changed the background of this page from pale green to mint cream. What I can also do, I can also create a variable called selector. I'm going to call this one selector2 document dot query selector. So I want to get the tag of that paragraph in the web page. The paragraph is here inside this web.html file. You can see the paragraph which says welcome to my web page, and you can see it has an ID of paragraph. I'm going to head over to the selector.js and put that paragraph in here. I'm going to say selector 2 dot style dot font style. It's a CSS property called font style, and I can make this italic. Save this. Let me head over to the browser and reload the page. You can see the paragraph, the font style is changed to welcome to my web page, and you can see the font style is in italic. You can do so much more with CSS style when you're working with the DOM. You can also give it a background color of pale green. When I save this, head over to the browser and reload this page, you can see I gave this paragraph welcome to my web page a background color of pale green. Now you can see how to use styles when you're working with the JavaScript DOM. You just want to head over to your JavaScript file, use the document or query selector or whatever DOM selector you use. And also, if you don't know how to use the document selectors, I have a video down below which actually shows how to use JavaScript DOM selectors. You can check it out. And today guys, I'm signing out. Thanks for watching.